This 2025 Winnebago Ekko 23B is a Class C RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 24 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 5, smoke detector, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, refrigerator, awning, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, air conditioning, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2025 Winnebago Ekko 23B is built on a Mercedes-Benz AWD Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.